Before we start, there's something on your face. You wanna maybe?
I'll just melt. I'll melt like this ice cream, but it's not melting. But I'm
You
melting.
cannot do this here. It's not allowed. It's actually really bad. You shouldn't do this. Allowed.
What we doing?
But you cannot do this here. Yeah. Huh? Well, I like the way you blush though.
I don't know why, but I'm blushing.
I'm half Maharashtrian
Yeah.
and half sexy. Excuse me, do you speak English? You all do? So you cannot do this here. It's not allowed. You shouldn't be doing this here. It's actually not allowed.
Like what's not allowed?
Looking so beautiful and making the others jealous. Sorry, I have a weird way to compliment stranger. Can I ask your names?
Myself, Riya.
Riya,
Sanjana.
Sanjana, Ruchi. Nice to meet you. I'm Ayush. What I'm doing today, I'm complimenting strangers, and
So good.
thank you. And I'm asking them what is the best compliment or pickup line they've ever heard.
Never.
No? How
But this was only first time.
is it?
Yeah.
So how about I give you one pickup line each and you rate it?
Sure.
Perfect. Wow, I love your confidence. I love your energy, guys. Where are you from? कहाँ से हो आप लोग?
Santa Cruz.
Are you Maharashtrians?
Yeah. Marathi also. Marathi.
Oh, you all are Maharashtrians. Sorry, my Marathi.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. I'll learn. Well, I've been here for 26, 27 years.
Is it? You should
Yeah.
be learning now.
प्रयत्न करतोय मी. अरे आई एम महाराष्ट्रीयन. का तुम्हाला वाटलं नाही का की मी महाराष्ट्रीयन? आय डोंट नो इफ आय शुड टेक इट ॲज अ कॉम्प्लिमेंट ऑर व्हॉट. आय रिअली डोंट नो. मी कॅमेरा इथं सेट करतो मग तिघ परफेक्ट. वाव. अरे अच्छा ना. Sweet people need more sweetness, right? By the way, my pickup lines they are English, so we'll speak in English. Yeah, perfect. Well, before we start, there's something on your face. You wanna maybe? Oh, it's cuteness. It won't go away.
I'll just melt. I'll melt like this ice cream, but it's not melting. But I'm melting.
You melted. Oh wow! Thank you. Thanks for that reaction.
That's a 9 on 10.
Thank you so much. Well, do you know a little bit about science?
No. Commerce not really. I'm a commerce student.
You're a commerce student. Well, do you know about black hole?
Yes.
Yeah, black hole can pull anything.
Mhm.
Yeah, it has the second most gravitational pull.
Yes.
Do you know what's the first one?
No.
Your eyes.
Oh, that's very true. That's true.
Yeah, she's got
actually.
beautiful eyes.
Thank you so
So,
much.
are you all students?
No, we are graduates.
You are graduated.
Yeah.
All in commerce.
We are both from IT and she's from commerce.
Good job.
Thank you.
Good job,
From
good job.
commerce also.
No. So I did filmmaking.
Okay.
Yeah, it's. I don't know. I mean, I didn't study from here, so there's like no arts commerce where I studied from. So that's why. Well, for you, oh wow. I'm thinking. Because no, the thing is, now I've used like so many pickup lines. I don't want to repeat anything. I want to create something which is brand new. You both look very similar. You're twins.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
She's the other one.
You're the elder one. Oh, I couldn't have this. I mean, take it as a compliment. By the way, sorry. Where did you get that?
What?
That beautiful smile.
This is very crazy. You're so
Thank you.
cool.
Thank you so much, guys. Well, thank you for being such a sport. And you'll see the video on Ayush Hande. My name is Ayush Hande.
You're on Instagram?
Instagram and YouTube. Yeah.
Oh,
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a nice one, guys.
Thank you.
Same here.
Bye.
See ya. Hey, excuse me. So you cannot do this here. It's not allowed. It's actually really bad. You shouldn't do this. Looking so beautiful and making the others jealous. Sorry, I have a weird way to compliment strangers.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Saloni.
Saloni. Nice to meet you. I'm Ayush. Today I'm complimenting them and I'm asking them what is the best compliment or pickup line they've ever heard. I'm sure you might have received like so many. Do you remember anyone?
I don't. I genuinely don't, and I'm getting late.
How about I give you a pickup line real quick?
And I'll take it.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, before we start, there's something on your face. Do you wanna? On you cannot wipe it. It's your cuteness.
It's okay, don't tell.
Excuse me. Sorry, you cannot do this here. It's not allowed. You cannot do this here.
Where?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Sorry, we were not.
Yeah, it's not allowed to look so good here. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, sorry. You cannot do this here. It's not allowed.
Sorry,
You cannot do this here. It's not allowed.
what we doing?
Looking so beautiful and making the others jealous. Hey, excuse me. Hi. Sorry, guys. You cannot do this here. It's not allowed. Like, do you all speak English? It's not allowed. You cannot do this here. Looking so stylish, looking so fashionable. It's really not allowed.
Not looking good at all.
Well, you are. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. Sorry, you cannot do this here. It's not allowed.
Not allowed what?
Huh?
Not allowed what?
Looking so beautiful, looking so stylish. It's not allowed. Sorry, I have a weird way to compliment strangers, guys. What's your name?
Andrew.
Pardon?
Andrew.
Andrew. Nice to meet you. And you are? Anna. Nice to meet you. I'm a content creator. Today, what I'm doing, I'm asking strangers what is the best compliment or best pickup line they've ever got. I know you must have received like so many. Where are you from? Where are you guys from? Oh, Russia. We all love Russia. I mean, I love Russians.
Have you been there?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Are you guys couples?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Yeah?
Married.
Married.
5 years.
Wow. So did you give her any pickup line? Did you use any pickup line on her?
Oh yeah, he.
Okay, let's go. What was it?
He said me I'm like Murray, you Murray.
Murray.
Or snake, my love. Yeah.
He said that
Yeah,
you are a
yeah.
snake.
Yeah, she's a
Yes,
snake.
I snake or Murray.
Why is that?
Because snake is beautiful.
Oh,
So, yeah, she's my snake.
कुछ भी. Oh, like that. I thought you were like poisonous.
No.
Well, would you like to hear a pickup line?
Sorry.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There's something on your face. Do you wanna wipe? There's like something on your face. Yeah, there is.
What?
It's cuteness. It won't go away.
It's good.
Hey, excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? You do? Okay, yeah, I just wanted to tell you that you cannot do this here. It's not allowed. It's really bad what you just said. What am I going to say?
You're just going to say some pickup line.
Some pickup line? Oh, no, I wasn't going to say that. It's not a pickup line. It's a compliment that you shouldn't look this beautiful and make the others jealous.
I knew it. You were going to say something.
Sorry, I have a weird way of doing that. What's your name?
Isha.
Isha. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Ayush. I'm a content creator. Today I'm asking strangers what is the best pickup line or compliment they've ever heard.
This is the best line I've ever.
Is it? How about I give you a really good one, real quick? Yeah? Oh, by the way, you've got beautiful eyes. Is it? I'm guessing you've taken it from your mother.
Yeah. No, it's from my dad.
It's from your dad.
Yeah.
Wow, you've got good genes.
Thank you.
Well, before we start the video, there's like something on your face. You wanna?
There's again going to be a pickup line. Am I right?
I mean, it's cuteness, so.
Yeah. I knew.
Well, how can you know every pickup line?
I knew I watched this kind of.
You do? Or guys do just come to you and give pickup lines to you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. How old are you if you don't mind me asking?
I
Sorry.
am 20.
You're 20? You don't look 20. I mean, it's a compliment.
20 is fine. I mean, I look 20.
I was gonna say 18, 19.
Best.
Best?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know that the black hole has the second most gravitational pull in the world?
I'm not good at GK.
No? Do you know black hole? What is a black hole?
Little bit.
It can pull anything into it.
Yeah.
And it's like the second strongest in the world.
Yeah.
Do you know what's the first one? It's your eyes. It can pull anyone, anything into that.
This one was also good.
It was also good.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. I know you're just saying it to be a good person, to be a nice person to me.
No, it's not like.
It's not like that. Well, I like the way you blush though.
I don't know why, but I'm blushing. I'm shy.
You're a shy person.
Yeah, I'm a shy person.
Oh. Well, to be honest, you were making me nervous. Yeah, when you were walking, I was like, should I go and talk? Should I go and talk? Yes, no, maybe. You did make me nervous.
What should I say?
Whatever you want to say. How about?
I just told you that I'm shy.
You're a very shy person.
I'm so nervous at this time.
Yeah. I don't even know if the frame is okay. I mean, it is. The camera is capturing you, but that's like the second camera that's capturing you. This is the first one, and the third one is actually my eyes. I captured everything through my eyes. Wow. Wow. I hope everyone likes this reaction.
Are you going to post it?
I mean, of course, why else I'm recording it, right? Well, you're gonna be famous, that is for sure. Do you wanna check out my ID? Or your boyfriend is calling?
That's my brother.
Oh, that's your brother. Oh, hi. Do you wanna be in the camera? Do you know each other?
She's my friend. She's my best friend.
Oh, hi, friend. Do you wanna be in the camera? Well, there's another camera over here. Well, thank you so much for your time. Have a nice one.
I'll just check your eyes.
Oh, I'll show you right now. Excuse me. Do you speak English? By any chance, yeah? Well, you cannot do this here. It's not allowed.
Sorry?
Yeah, this place you cannot do. You cannot do it here. It's not allowed. It's illegal. Like looking this beautiful and making the others jealous. Sorry, I have a weird way to compliment strangers.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Mansi.
Mansi. Nice to meet you, Mansi. I'm Ayush.
Hi.
Today I'm complimenting strangers.
Okay.
And I'm asking them what is the best pickup line or compliment they've ever got.
This is the one I got.
Is it? Oh wow, wow. Well, I'm a lucky person then. You look really beautiful. So I was like,
Thank you.
I was a bit nervous. Ki, should I go and talk or no? By the way, what do you do, Mansi?
Actually, I do study and I work in bank.
You work in Bangalore.
Bank.
Bank.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you. Okay.
No. I do work and I do study also.
Yeah. Well, you should try fashion or something.
Fashion?
Why banking?
Because I'm an account student.
You're an account student. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Well, would you like to be part of a 10-20 seconds video? 10-20 seconds.
What exactly?
I'm gonna give you some pickup lines and you'll rate it.
Okay.
Yeah? Wow, I love your innocence. Did anyone ever tell you?
No, because I'm very shy person.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, let's try and make you extrovert today, shall we?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
ओह यार यार ये कितनी औसम है यार
Is it? I think the frame is okay. Maybe my head is just cutting off.
So.
I don't know. 1 second. Hold your hand over here. No, over here. Over here.
Okay.
Okay. Just hold it like that. Yeah? Yep. I'm definitely going off the frame. This should be perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, this should be perfect. I'm so sorry. So yeah. So before we start, do you wanna wipe test something on your face?
My face?
Yeah. Oh, it won't go. It's cuteness. Gotcha.
What exactly you like to do when you are alone?
When I'm alone. Ooh. You never had a boyfriend. I'm half Maharashtrian.
Yeah.
I'm half sexy. You are a very family
Person, yeah. I'm very family person.
Yeah. I want my wife to be a family person.
That's good. You will find that type of girl soon.
You didn't get my pickup line, guys.
I did, but
Oh, it's raining.
raining.
Let's do one thing. I believe in Krishna.
Yeah, I do.
If
I mean-
Krishna wants this conversation to happen, he'll stop the rain.
Oh.